had this question all day in my head that's been making me laugh, and it's, what if Jesus had a microscope? Because I feel like if he had a microscope, he'd be like, look at your mitochondria. Look at the powerhouses of the cell. This is the kingdom within. This is the light that I'm talking about. I feel like if he had a microscope, he'd be telling everybody about the mitochondria, you know? Like, I don't know. I have been laughing at that question all day. It's been in my head. Mitochondria love light. They are light. We emit infrared light, which structures and hydrates the cell. Without our mitochondria structuring the light via the energy production that they push through, we'd be so dehydrated. We'd be dead. A lot of cancers are involved with metabolic disease, mitochondria disease. A lot of what I read about Otto Warburg's work. But powerhouse of the cell, this is where we get the majority of energy. This is the aging process. So cool, you know? What if Jesus had a microscope? And that's really all I have to say. The amino and the fatty acids, sunlight, exercise. So beautiful, so amazing that all this light is coming from you. They say that, like, they say mass repels mass. So when you're like putting this musculature on, when you're doing your calf raises, it's not your waist, it's your calves. When you're doing your calf raises and you're putting all this muscle on your body, where you're connecting with your second heart, your calf muscles, with your lymphatic system, pushing all that blood flow up. Because mass repels mass, this slows down the aging process. It's so beautiful. You are so gorgeous. Don't forget, when you look in the mirror, that we don't see ourselves accurately. Neville Goddard says, faith is your fortune. Faith is your fortune. When you look in the mirror, remember that there are trillions of cells inside of you listening to every single thought that you have about them. And that's also part of our mitochondrial function, is the thoughts that we have about our cells. Cells, like ourselves, except ourselves. So anyway, I have this book in front of me and I was like, I want to share this book. I really like, this book is called Letting Go. It's by Dr. David Hawkins, The Pathway of Surrender. I really like this book. I just wanted to start rereading it because I feel like it's got a lot of good things in it. And I actually had opened it up randomly the other day. I was reading a random passage, and it was talking about this lady, and it was referencing this book that I also talk about all the time, that I try to read a little bit of it each day. It's called A Course in Miracles, The Pathway, Foundation for Inner Peace. So I really like this book. I really like these two books, and they have just been blessings and teachers on my pathway. I just wanted to share that with you, you know. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you for hanging out if you've watched until this point. I really love you so much. You know, if I didn't tell you, like, if I didn't share my love with you, I just feel like it would burn me up. Like I would just go into this big ball of fire and just like, you know, my own passion would eat me alive, basically. So anyway, I love you so much, and I hope that you write down your dreams. Your dreams benefit nobody. It benefits nobody else except you. It's such an intimate thing, the dream state, because only you are the only one who's experiencing that. And it's like our subconscious is speaking to us, and particularly really loudly. A lot of people are having a lot of dreams right now. So write down your dreams. It might seem like they're so crazy. And what happens for me is I just like will think about these dreams, and I will start to understand the abstractions, because they're always abstracting, and it's like you have to decipher it. Sometimes it's a code that's not quite evident, more poetic. And yeah, it can only benefit you. You're the only one having the dreams. So write them down, contemplate them, and I feel like it might help you in some way, you know? So anyway, I love you so much. I've got to go to bed now. But you can like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I do wish you the best of luck.